and I'm going to coach you guys through it, okay? And so the dance repeats itself twice. If you get lost, look for some of our lovely relay staff. Metal Bears out in the crowd will also know it, and they'll be more than happy to join you. So DJ, are we ready with the music? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start it off nice and slow with some arm waves side to side.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again?
Now we're gonna roll some shoulders.
Do you ever feel so
Come on, Toronto, you can do better than that. Back to the arm waves.
Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear it there?
And now back to the shoulders.
There's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you.
And here comes our patented starburst. Go hip, hip, heart, heart, side, side, heart, heart, head, head, heart, heart, and burst. And one more time. Hip, hip, heart, heart, shoulder, shoulder, heart, heart, head, head, heart, heart, and burst. Let's get some fist pumps. Up front, up top, up front. Everybody reach for the sky. Bring it on down. Reach for the sky. Bring it on down. Fist pumps. Oh, come on, Toronto. Reach for the sky. Bring it on down. All right, no more excuses. This is where we repeat ourselves. So let's get everybody into it. Shoulder rolls.
If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes around.
Back to the arm waves.
Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road.
Shoulder rolls again.
Your heart will blow, and when it's
And here comes the starburst.
you just gotta ignite.
Hip, hip, heart, heart, shoulder, shoulder, heart, heart, head, head, heart, heart, and burst.
Just
Hip, hip, heart, heart, side, side, heart, heart, head, head, heart, heart, and burst. Fist bumps, come on, Toronto, get into it.
come on, show 'em why you are. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a fire, you are. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go. You're gonna leave 'em wanting
Absolutely fantastic, everybody. Let's give it up for the relay team and Tracy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that brings an official close to the formal part of our ceremony. I think you know what's all coming next. Oh my gosh. I have a giant paragraph to intro, but I don't even know if I have to. You guys all know him quite well, don't you? All right, well, he's just getting ready backstage, so we have to wait a couple moments. I'd like to thank this moment in time for all of you guys for coming out tonight. It's been an absolutely incredible celebration. I couldn't think of a better way to wrap up Day 74 here in Toronto.